Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Land Rover Discovery. It's a limited edition black. It's the HSE as well. It's a bit of a rare one. This one's really got a lot of extras on it. You've got a full black grille, upgraded black alloy wheels. Paintwork's amazing. Rear privacy glass, black roof with a panoramic roof. Rear park distance control with a camera. Just look at that, it's in amazing condition. Really well looked after Discovery. Starting to get quite a lot of these now because they're coming to a really good price range where they're settling. And 7 seats as well. Easiest 7 seats you can get. You literally pull that there and it goes down, and that gives you all that boot space. So electric tailgate, and the contrasting, I'm not going to, it's cream leather interior I would say. Get access to your seats. A large panoramic roof that does have a blind, but the seats haven't been all knocked about, kicked about. Really nice rear Meridian speakers, front Meridian speakers, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats, all in lovely condition. It's done, just start the car up. All the warning lights come on and go off. Done 604 miles. Got the paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, lane assist, boot opening from inside, reverse camera. Shut the door. So you've got satellite navigation, full satellite navigation, media pack, sources, DAB radio as well, home screen there, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, different driving styles, grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand, it's all there electronically. Locking wheel nut. Oh, heated seats, 3-stage heated seats, that's important with the leather. 2 keys. Like I say, as you can see, it's in lovely condition. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.